Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download voice messages from Messenger very easily. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now first things first, you're going to make sure that you are logged into Messenger on your computer and on your Chrome browser. Once you do so, you're going to select whatever chat you would like, so for example this one. And now from here, you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store right here, and you're going to search for download audio message Messenger/Instagram. And so once you search for it and you find this result, simply click on Add to Chrome. Once you click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. And so once that is done, it's going to be installed right here, and you can pin it just so it's easy. Once that is done, all you have to do is to go back to your Messenger, and then from here you're going to either play 1 second of any audio, or you're going to just make sure that you select on it. And now from here, once you see it, it's going to show up right here where this audio message is available to download. And once you click on download, it's going to ask you to select the location to download it for and the name of it. And then once you click on save, then it's going to download it, and now we have it on our computer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.